Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, we have you opened Euro JPY pair. If you check here, just now market has uptrend. Just now market is returning to the support area towards downwards. Okay, just now the sellers have started their power, so that's why I am going with sellers here. If you check here in the left side, if you notice, just now momentum of buyers have been ended. If you check, the sellers momentum has been started. So in the downtrend, we can expect at least one or two buyers. Why? Because in the uptrend also you can expect one or two retracements. Again market will continue to the downwards. In the last I will show you my history also. Today we will take more trades as possible, and I will show you my history also. Just check the points and understand where the levels, how the levels will work here, and you should maximum try to follow the momentum. Here if you check, the sellers are getting stronger over here, so finally we got win here. Okay, we'll check the next candle. Can you predict the next candle? If you check left side, we don't have any kind of levels. Okay, if you check long there is no levels, so we can easily go with sellers. Maximum try to trade with margin of safety. Why? Because even in the middle you may get one or two retracements as buyers, so if you have margin of safety, easily you can win. Up to the next level I will only go with sellers. Why? Because as I said, market is coming towards downwards, so trade with sellers only. So here finally we are getting strong sellers. Try to trade with valid points only. If you check here, you will understand. My next area is in the down, so up to there I will only go with sellers. So again I am going with sellers. If possible, I will definitely take margin of safety. Okay, here I got opportunity, so that's why easily I can go with sellers here. Why here I have taken extra trade means, if you check last, there is a pattern, 3 red candles, 1 green, again market is getting continued. Okay, so that's why in that case I have small doubt over here. If you check, there is a round number over there, I think so. So that's why even it didn't respect, but sometimes some areas these will matter. Maximum times it won't, but sometimes in the trendy market only these kind of things will make at least one retracement. That's it. So we should take count of these kind of points also. So if you check, we got buyers, but our entry point saved us. So as expected, we have to go again with sellers. Why? Because 1, we have a momentum, 2, market is changed its trend before only, so 3, 1 candle can't stop the momentum, and 4, it was a continuation sign. So easily you can go with sellers here. Why? Because in the left side we don't have any kind of levels. That's why only I have gone with sellers. So that's why I always used to say maximum try to trade with levels only. Here we got momentum, so in the favor of downtrend and momentum we can easily go with sellers here. So finally the sellers are getting stronger. Okay, fine. Okay, can you predict what is the next candle? Still the level is far. What you will go? Easily you can go with sellers here. Okay, maximum try to go with sellers only. Why? Because left side you don't have any kind of levels, means you can blindly go with in the favor of sellers. So I have placed it for selling option. In binary options you may face sometime losses. Why? Because some retracement, some unseen levels will be there, so losses are common, but try to predict at the right areas. You will easily get nice winning ratio. Don't get demotivated, okay? Maximum try to learn the points, understand the market structure. Try to check the points which you have lost before. Try to practice the point where you get lost, okay? Here if you check left side, I don't have any kind of levels, so again I will only go with sellers here. Okay, I don't have any kind of levels over here. Let's see what will happen. Even if the green candle comes also, we can take another candle as a win. Why? Because we are going in a downtrend. You can expect 1 or 2 buyers candle easily. Even just now we have checked, there are no levels. Still the buyers are convinced. Maybe in that case, maybe we got some more retracements over here. So that's why you can have retracements in the middle of the market. Okay, finally we got sellers here. Okay, we got win. Okay, again we can go with, here I have a doubt. Why? Because the candles are getting weak, but I am going with sellers only in the favor of momentum. But if you check the last 3 candles, they are getting weak over here, and as expected our formula is there. So that's why I have doubt about this trade. Let's see what will happen here. If it is loss, I will continue again. That's why I used to say check the levels. In the left side we don't have any kind of levels. Market may reverse at any time like this. Just now we have seen here. Okay, let it be. Okay, we'll focus on the next candle. What is the next candle? Can you predict? One, we have a downtrend. In the middle we get one retracement. Can you say what is the next candle over here? Left side you don't have any kind of levels. If you check also trend line, there is no trend line too. So I can confidently go with sellers here. That's why I used to say when you have confidence, trade with higher amount. Here you got again sellers. Okay, I think the market is close to the levels. Maybe now the market will be in sideways or something. If possible, I will try to change the chart and try to trade in another chart. Let's see what will this candle will make us. Let's see. Trade at the levels only. Why? Because at the levels you may get more confidence. Try to take limited trades. Don't go for every trade. Okay, here I have doubt over here. Let's see what will happen. But the previous candle is too strong, so that's the reason only I have gone with sellers. Why? Because if you check, every time market is after one retracement, market is continuing to the down and still there is a gap, so that's why I will go with sellers here. You check previous sellers candle is a strong candle. If you notice particularly, the exact candle was closed at the round number over there, if you understand clearly. So that's why I can confidently go with sellers here. Okay, here the candle is getting, buyers are pushing. Let's see what will happen. I will show you my history if possible. Let me complete this trade. Yes. Okay, this is my history up to one loss only. Okay, we'll take 3 more trades. I will change the chart. Why? Because here I don't have any trade. Maximum we can continue with the sellers only, but I won't take chance here. Why? Because left side the clumsy area, the levels have been came. So that's why if possible, I will change the chart now. We can go with the sellers only, but here 50-50. So sometimes changing the chart is a better thing, I think so. Okay, here we'll check in this pair. we'll plot a level. This is support level, but if you notice left side, the market has strong power of sellers. If this present candle was a selling candle, I will definitely go with sellers again. Why? Because if you check, overall trend is a downtrend. Market wants to go down. So after breakout also, sellers are interested, means who are strong, so we can go with sellers. Just now I have plotted a trend line. If you check, let me take some margin of safety. I got nice entry point of margin of safety. Okay, fine. Next to my level is the trend line. Why? Because just now the horizontal has been breakout, still there are no buyers, so obviously we have sellers confidence, plus we have sellers momentum, and we don't have lower wicks of sellers candle, so the sellers are more stronger. So up to that particular trend line level, I will only go with sellers. So try to take trades in this way. You will understand better, you will get better clarity about the trades. When you have loss, just send me the screenshot in Telegram. I will definitely answer you. Yeah, here if you notice, I will go with again sellers. Why? Because 1, we have a momentum. 2, last candle was a continuation sign and it's a middle of the trend area. So my next level is far. So easily I can go with sellers only. So these all reasons made me to place with selling candle. You check, the sellers are getting stronger. Let's see what will happen here. This is my history. You can check over it. Only one loss, except all win. Yeah, the sellers are too stronger. Have you noticed one thing? Just now the trend line has been breakout. So who will enter now after breakout? If you check the trend line, it is a strong trend line. Okay, so now easily the buyers will enter. I will go with buying trade here. Okay, maximum try to take trades in these type of points. Breakout, reversal. Why? Because it's a strong area. Try to choose these kind of areas. You will get better entry points, better answers. You can understand the market easily. Maximum try to plot correct levels in a correct way. Then only you may understand the market easily. Then only you will understand the market perfectly. Sometimes you may see red green pattern. Don't trade over there. Just draw the levels and plot the areas. Then only you will understand. Okay, here finally buyers have entered. Okay, what is the next candle? Can you predict? 1, it is a downtrend. 2, just now the candle has been breakout the trend line area 2 with strong momentum. Who will come? Obviously, at least one candle you can go with sellers. Why? Because the momentum power will at least give at least one retracement. So this candle will decide. I think it is my last trade. Okay, I think I have so far taken so many trades over here. So as you before seen my history also. Okay, it's good. Okay, the sellers are getting stronger over here. Let's see what will happen. Okay, still loss. Why? Because my entry point is late, but my prediction is correct. Okay, still red candle. Okay, we'll take one more trade here. Okay, here I will go blindly with buyers. Why? Because it's a buyer's area. Obviously, previous candle was a momentum's retracement. So if you check the previous red candle, it was a 2-week candle. That's why even my entry point is correct, but the candle closed 2 week. So that's why I got lost. So I will recover in this trade with strong buyers. Why? Because it's a buyer's area, so no sellers are interested here. So buyers will take over the market here. So that's why I have gone with buyers confidently. So if you have any doubts, you can message me in Telegram. Just check over the video. You'll understand nice points. Okay guys, here is my history. I will show you once again last. Okay. Yeah, this is my history. Maybe I got 2 losses except all win. Okay guys, thank you.